Alright, so today guys we're going to look at the idea of translations. So what we're doing when we do a translation is we're moving it, sliding it. In this case we're moving it to the right 3 and up 5. So each point I'm going to move 1, 2, 3, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get my new point D prime. Then we're going to do the same thing, 1, 2, 3 with E. Go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get E prime, and then do the same thing with C. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get C prime. Ooh. And this is what you guys get. So then in this case, we're taking each point, shifting it to the left 1 and down 1. So each point is going to the left 1, down 1, so that gets me E prime. D, left, down, D prime. Left, down to get G prime. And then F, left, down to get F prime. And then we just connect the dots. Like that. So this is the easy way of doing it. So let's have you guys try the other 2, 3, and 4 for me. When you guys are done, just click pause right now and then play it. And what you guys should have gotten was this. You guys can see that I shifted each point to the left 1, up 1. And then in this case, I shifted each point to the right 5, up 1. Okay. Now, one of the other ways that you guys could see it is in which we're adding 1. When I'm adding something, that's either me telling me it's going up or down. With the X, that means I'm telling it that I'm going to the right 1. And then in this case, I'm going down 2 with each Y. So I'm going right 1, down 2 to get T prime. Right 1, down 2 to get S prime. Right 1, down 2 to get V prime. Right 1, down 2 to get U prime. And then I'm just going to connect the dots. Like that. Okay, so in this case, I am going to the right 4, but I'm not moving up at all. There's no movement up or down. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 for E. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 for B prime. And that gets us a figure like this. So we can write it in words, or we can write in expressions. If you guys could pause it and just try the next one for me. Next couple for me. And this is what you guys should have had. So if you guys see, I'm moving it to the left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 2 for each point. Here, I'm moving it to the right 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so another way that we could say this, not only with coordinate notation or in words, is we could say it with a vector. A vector is a quantity that has magnitude, which is length, and direction. So in this case, we have a vector that's 0, -6. This is telling me what's happening with x, and this one is telling me what's happening to y. If it's 0, that means it's not moving left or right, but it is moving down 6. So each point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is moving down 6 units. W is going to move down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unit. And then y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. And then in this one, it means I'm moving to the left 6, up 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up 1, 2, 3 to get R prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3 to get S prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. And then Q prime is going to be right above it. Okay, right. Q right. And that's what your shape would look like. If you guys could try the next couple for me, that would be great. And this is what they should look like. So in this case, you're moving to the right 2, 1, 2, down 6, right 2, down 6, right 2, down 6, right 2, down 6. In this one, I'm moving to the left 1, up 2, left 1, up 2, left 1, up 2. Okay? So I want to identify maybe what a potential transformation is. So I want to in vector component and also describe it in words. So I'm taking S and trying to identify, hey, what do I have to do to get to S prime? So I'm going this way and then down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 4, down 2. So in vector component form, I'm saying it's going -4, -2, because left to right. It's going to the left 4, and then up or down it's going 2. In coordinate notation then, I would say x, y, x -4, y -2. Or I'm going left 4, down 2. And I'll just do one more with you guys. So I'm looking at D to D prime. Up and to the left. Up 1, right 1. I should know what my directions are. So I'm going 1, 1 in component vector form. X, Y. I am adding 1 to X, adding 1 to Y, and I'm going right 1, up 1. So what I'm asking you guys to do is just try to finish the next couple for me, and we'll definitely talk about those tomorrow in class. Have a great day.